welcome to another Dynasty Central Snaps where we rip a pack and rip a bowl of Series 2 21-22. We got Nick Cousins, Chris Letang, Dylan Dubé. Looks like we got a Young Guns coming up. Anthony Duclair, San Jose, Willie Eklund. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is my third William Eklund Young Gun, and I will take it as I am chasing this youngster. I think he's got a good future in San Jose from Djurgården, Sweden. Definitely offensive dynamo coming over. All right, well, to finish off the base, we got Jake Gardner, Carey Price, and Hampus Lindholm. All right, well, yeah, that was actually a really good one. Two great Young Guns from this blaster so far. If you haven't seen the other one, go check out that poll on Dynasty Central Snaps. But yes, this is the second Young Gun from the blaster that I've been ripping from, and this is Willie Eklund from the San Jose Sharks. Young Gun, that's what I'll take. So thank you for watching. Smash like down below, hit subscribe, and throw me a comment. Love to hear from you. And thank you for supporting the channel. Let everyone know if they love weed and hockey cards, go check out Dynasty Central. So thank you for watching. And remember, happy tokes with your smokes and safe ripping. We'll see you later.